In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Google Translate API key in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to start by logging into the Google Cloud Console using your Google credentials. This is an essential step as it grants you access to all of Google's powerful cloud tools. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Now, let's focus on setting up the project. Look for the Projects section, which is typically located in the top navigation area. Go ahead and click on it. This will give you the option to see existing projects or create a new one, depending on what you've been working on before. Next, click on the New Project button. This is where you'll start the process of generating your new API key. You'll need to give your project a unique name. It can be anything descriptive that helps you remember its purpose later on. Once you've named your project, click on Create to finish up this part. To ensure you're working on the correct project, click on Select Project. Double-check that you're within the newly created project environment. This is crucial because you want to manage and generate the API key specifically for the intended project. Once you're sure you're in the right project, locate the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your gateway to numerous Google Cloud features. Click on it, and then select APIs and Services from the drop-down menu. This section allows you to manage and explore different APIs available on Google Cloud. Now, in the API and Services dashboard, you'll need to find the API library. Type Cloud Translation API into the search bar. Once you see it, click on it and proceed to enable it. By enabling this API, you're letting your project use the Google Cloud Translation features, which is a crucial step in this entire process. With the API enabled, you'll now navigate to the Credentials section. Here, you'll create access credentials. Click on Create Credentials and then choose API Key. This straightforward option is perfect for those who need quick access to Google's translation services. Once you click on Create, Google will generate a new API key for you. It's important to copy this key and store it somewhere safe and secure. This key is your access point to utilize Google Translate via API calls, so treat it like a password. Congratulations, you've successfully generated a Google Translate API key. With it, you'll be able to integrate powerful translation capabilities into your applications, making communication across languages a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.